Missouri current income tax infrastructure involves 10 to 8 tax brackets, 10-page withholding tables, 60 to 48 formulas, and changeable taxable income ranges over time, such as from 2005 to 2026, that increase costs and processing time for everyone involved. Can we simplify the complex tax system for the government, businesses, and people to reduce costs? Our tax simplification research shows these complex brackets, tables, and formulas can be matched and simplified. The 10-page withholding tables and 60 to 48 formulas can be eliminated. Only one existing formula and one simple line formula can be used to match and simplify current complex tax system. Here are our research paper and tax bill draft for your review. What kind tax rates are fair and simple? There are two types of tax rates. One is flat, or step rates. Another is curve rates. They are not smooth and have cliff or jump problems. A simple line and its formula are the simplest. When there are many tax brackets, they are smooth and close to a simple line. So current rates can be matched and simplified. There were 10 tax brackets from 1.5% to 6% in 2016. The 10-page withholding tables were based on their tax rates and standard deductions and tax credits. They are complex, which can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one line formula. Standard deductions and tax credits can be used for withholding taxes without the 10-page tables and multiple tax formulas and taxable income ranges. Missouri tax data were used to compare current and proposed methods. Their tax revenue values had extremely minor difference. There were 9 tax brackets from 0% to 5.4% in 2021. The 10-page withholding tables were based on their tax rates and standard deductions and credits. They are complex, which can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one line formula. Here are 4 calculation examples at different filing periods, such as bi-week, month, and annual. Missouri tax data were used to compare current and proposed methods with extremely minor tax revenue difference. There are 8 tax brackets from 0% to 4.7% in 2026. The first bracket has no tax until taxable income $1,348, which has changed from prior years. The 10-page withholding tables are based on their tax rates and standard deductions and credits. They are still complex, which can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one line formula for taxable incomes not over $9,000 or $10,000. From 2015 to 2026, there are more changes about tax brackets, withholding percentage formulas, withholding tables, taxable income ranges, and formulas. They are very complex, which can be matched and simplified with 2 stable formulas, A and B. Formula B is in tax rate and tax format, which is the same as existing formula, which is in tax format. For withholding taxes, standard deductions and tax credits and different filing period number F can be used. Tax rates from current and simplified methods are matched with very minor or no tax rate and tax revenue difference, which are shown by this graph. Missouri has federal tax deduction from 35% to 25%, 15%, 5%, and 0%. When AGI values change from such as $100,000 to $100,001 with $1 difference, their Missouri federal tax deductions are $2,250 at 15% and $750 at 5%, with federal tax is $15,000. Then their federal tax deduction difference is $1,500, which is totally unfair with the $1 difference. The step or cliff rate problem needs to be reformed reasonably. We can use one simple line to resolve these 4 cliff problems. Similar total deduction may be considered. We have related research publications about state tax systems, including Missouri tax system, and their simplification with one exiting formula and one simple line formula within 2 brackets, which are good enough for state tax simplification. You may review these research papers and publications which involve individual and corporation income tax simplifications. Tax simplification can be some solution for tax administration and related problems. This tax simplification has its benefits. Lawmakers can simplify current complex tax system with less factors. Multiple tax brackets and tables are too complex. A flat rate is too simple, rough, and unfair, with such as fairness, basic living cost, revenue, and public service problems. Taxpayers may use one or half-page tax return form to reduce time and costs. Businesses may do not need complex withholding tables and formulas. Department of Revenue can reduce related processing time and cost. Its 15 benefits may worth $165 million for Missouri. We have 5 conclusions to simplify existing 8 tax brackets to 2. Eliminate complex tables and formulas. One or half-page tax return form is possible. The 5 cliff problems in Missouri federal tax deduction can be resolved with smooth changes. Its 15 benefits may save $165 million for Missouri. You may check Table 6. You may review our websites here. If you have any question and suggestion, would you please contact us? Thank you for your watching.